Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to organize your Trello boards effectively. Whether you're managing work projects, school assignments, or personal tasks, having a clean and organized Trello setup can boost productivity and reduce stress. Let's dive in and see how to create an organized system. First, log into your Trello account. Once you're in, take advantage of workspaces. Workspaces let you group related boards together, making it easier to manage and navigate multiple projects. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select the option to create a workspace. This is especially helpful if your boards are scattered across different areas. Consider grouping boards under categories like marketing, personal, or specific projects. Once your workspaces are ready, move the boards into the appropriate category. This structured approach ensures you can quickly locate any board whenever needed. To streamline your workflow even further, you can star your favorite boards on your homepage. Just hover over a board and click the star icon. Starred boards will always appear at the top of your Trello home screen for quick access. Another key factor is naming conventions. Use consistent naming patterns to keep things organized. For example, prefix board names with categories or dates like Client ABC or Project Launch Q3. This helps with alphabetical sorting and allows you to identify boards faster. You can also personalize your boards with custom backgrounds or colors. Go to Settings and select Change Background. Using colors to code projects, urgency, or clients creates a visual cue that makes navigating Trello even easier. By following these steps, your Trello boards will stay well organized, and you'll develop an intuitive sense of where everything is. This frees up mental space and helps you work more efficiently. Remember, Trello is flexible, so feel free to adapt categories, naming conventions, or colors to suit your workflow. I hope this tutorial helps you create a Trello setup that works perfectly for you. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more productivity tips and tutorials.